And we are back. This is BMR Review here, back with another video. Today we got Scooby-Doo and Buzz Lightyear from Raceverse. Hot Wheels Raceverse to be Pacific. Of course, this one says Scooby-Doo. This one says Pixar. So, we got Scooby-Doo right here with some ghosts in the background. You got the Scooby-Doo logo, new for 2024. Raceverse, Scooby-Doo, and Scooby-Doo, of course. And here's the back, where it only shows Scooby-Doo at. And here's Buzz Lightyear. So we got Buzz Lightyear. We got Buzz Lightyear right here. We got Hot Wheels Raceverse. We got Pixar. And then we got back, which only shows Buzz Lightyear. And here's the QR code if anyone needs it for that one. Here's the QR code for this one if anyone needs it. I found these both at Walmart. There was also a Bo Peep one and I think a couple other ones that I was looking at, but I decided to get these two, so let's get them unboxed. Let's start with Scooby-Doo. I think this is the only Scooby-Doo thing I have in my collection, to be honest with you guys. And Buzz Lightyear. Okay, let's start off with Buzz Lightyear, since I want to save Scooby-Doo for the last, since we have had Disney ones. But let's do this one. So, of course it says Buzz Lightyear right here. It has like a little fuel pump thing right there. What does that say? I don't know what that says. It has boosters. Now this is supposed to be representing the box that he came in. It says Lightyear on a Buzz Lightyear. It's got the wings right there. It's got a lot of detail on the wings. But yeah, like I said, it's pretty cool. It's got 3 engines in the back here. There's a base, white tires. Of course, the actual box did not come with tires, but blue plastic. Of course, you do have the action figure kind of thing in here, so it does like Buzz Lightyear. You got the red button right there. You're just a toy. Got some blue eyes. It looks more toyish. But normally these cars do. But like I said, this is pretty cool. I like Buzz Lightyear. It's gonna make a pretty good new piece of my Disney collection, which I have a bunch of multiverse cars into. So here's Scooby-Doo. So it has, let's just start right here. So the details on him, he has his nice little collar, which you can see all details applied. It's got the spots. Got everything on here. Got those brown eyes. He looks like he's ready to run from monsters. So that's pretty good. Mystery. The Mystery Incorporated. machine. Anyway, so here's the logo. You got the flowers on here. It kind of looks, they're green. Then you got the like bluish grayish color coming on, like it has in the show. I like Scooby-Doo. But yeah, it's pretty cool. It's base, base is this silver. But yeah, it's a pretty cool car. I think they're both pretty cool cars. Which one do I like the most? Thinking I'm gonna give this one to Scooby-Doo. Now, if they had one for Woody, I would have picked up a Woody instead of a Buzz Lightyear. But this is BM World Review signing out. See y'all next time.